When it comes to cooking rice for large gatherings or in a commercial setting, nothing compares to the precision, efficiency, and reliability of this Cuckoo 30-cup, uncooked, 60-cup, cooked, large-capacity commercial rice cooker and warmer. Renowned for its exceptional quality and innovation, Cuckoo delivers the best in rice cooking technology. Whether you're running a restaurant, catering large events, or simply hosting a big family dinner, this powerhouse rice cooker will meet and exceed your expectations. Why Cuckoo is the trusted brand in rice cookers? Cuckoo has been an international leader in rice cookers for over 40 years, earning a solid reputation for producing high-quality, innovative, and user-friendly kitchen appliances. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, Cuckoo guarantees top-tier performance and reliability with every product. Key features of the Cuckoo commercial rice cooker and warmer. Number 1. Simple yet powerful functionality. One-touch operation. Cooking rice is as easy as pressing a single button. Once you add your rice and water, simply press the switch and let the rice cooker take care of the rest. Keep warm mode. After cooking is complete, the cooker automatically switches to the keep warm mode, ensuring your rice remains at the perfect temperature without overcooking or drying out. Number 2. Commercial grade capacity. 30 cups, uncooked, 60 cups cooked. The large capacity makes it perfect for preparing large quantities of rice for restaurants, catering services, or big family gatherings. You'll never run out of rice, even during your busiest events. Efficient and fast. With this capacity, it can handle cooking a high volume of rice in a short amount of time, saving you both energy and effort. Number 3. Versatile cooking options. Multifunctional cooking. Not just for rice, this cooker can also be used to prepare a variety of dishes. Make soups, stews, chili, and more by adding your ingredients into the pot and pressing the switch to start the heating process. It's an excellent time saver in busy kitchens. Nonstick inner pot. The nonstick coating ensures that your food won't stick, making it easier to clean after cooking and helping to maintain the quality of your rice. Number 4. Smart automated technology. Keep warm functionality. The Cuckoo rice cooker uses advanced technology to automatically shift to a keep warm mode once the rice is cooked. This keeps the rice warm and fresh without worrying about overcooking or burning the food. Precision cooking. Enjoy perfectly cooked rice every time, thanks to Cuckoo's smart rice cooking technology that adjusts the cooking process to ensure the ideal texture and flavor. Number 5. Hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. Easy to clean. After cooking, you'll find the cooking silicone pad and nonstick inner pot incredibly easy to clean. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your perfectly cooked rice. Number 6. Premium quality and certifications. cETL and NSF certifications. Cuckoo rice cookers hold both cETL and NSF certifications, meaning they comply with the highest safety and quality standards in the industry. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your appliance meets rigorous safety guidelines. Durable and high-quality construction. Built to last, this rice cooker is equipped with a premium-grade non-stick inner pot, ensuring even heat distribution and long-term durability. Number 7. Convenient accessories. Everything you need to get started. The Cuckoo rice cooker comes with essential accessories including a rice spatula, measuring cup, product manual, and a cooking silicone pad to make your cooking experience even easier. Why choose Cuckoo over other rice cookers? Cuckoo rice cookers are synonymous with quality, consistency, and innovation. Unlike other rice cookers that only offer basic functionality, Cuckoo stands out with unmatched capacity. With the ability to cook up to 60 cups of rice, it's the perfect solution for large-scale cooking needs. Versatility. Whether you need to make rice, soups, or stews, this cooker can do it all. Effortless operation. The simple press switch design and automated cooking functions take all the guesswork out of the cooking process, providing a reliable, stress-free experience. Easy cleanup. The non-stick inner pot and silicone cooking pad make cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort after every meal. Perfect for commercial kitchens and home use. Whether you're a chef looking to serve dozens of customers daily or a home cook hosting a large family gathering, the Cuckoo 30-cup commercial rice cooker is designed to deliver exceptional results every time. Its high capacity and user-friendly features make it a must-have for anyone who frequently prepares large quantities of rice or other foods. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.